Hey, best friend. Okay, so look, I know you don't really bake like that no more because of that one time you decided to bake something for Christmas and you was real excited about it, but then it didn't turn out how the picture looked, and now that's what your nickname is with the family because it was that bad. Okay, so as your friend, I'm gonna break down the 6 principles of bacon. So come on in this kitchen. I'm gonna teach you how to make my old school Southern buttermilk pie, and I'm gonna talk you through what these 6 principles are, and it's gonna work for whatever you decide to make. Okay? Baking is a dry heat cooking method, and it all boils down to these 6 major things: your wet and dry ingredients, leavening agents, flavoring, heat, and even how you mix your batter all contributes to the overall product. So let's see how that looks in a recipe. Starting with room temperature eggs, we are going to add that to our sugar. Your eggs are going to be your leavening agent, and they're going to bring structure to the overall custard. We're also going to use a beating method when mixing so that we can bring air into the custard altogether. Now we need something to balance everything out, and that is salt. Salt is used in baking as well, but it is to actually help balance out the sweetness and bring all of your ingredients together. However, it should remain undetectable, so a pinch will do. Now we need a thickening agent. So we're going in with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is just to help all the custard hold together and thicken properly. Now we need our flavor, so we go in with extract. It is just to give an overall boost of flavor to the finished product. Now we need fat, and I added in melted butter. Melted butter is only for 2 things: richness and flavor. The buttermilk is going to add moisture to the custard and bring a luscious tanginess that you can only get with buttermilk. I decided that the custard needed an overall boost, so I added in a bit of grated nutmeg and some cinnamon. Now it's time to get this thing in the oven. Now I use a tart pan because I don't like my pies too thick, but that's just a personal preference. I poke holes in the crust to ensure that it doesn't bubble up while baking, and now it's off into the oven. And best friend, once that pie comes out the oven, not only have you learned an amazing pie recipe from scratch, but you also learned the 6 major principles of baking. So try this recipe this week and let me know what you think. And if you learned anything, make sure to put pie in the comments below. Until next time, it's your girl, Lady B.